Not done a Hi guys, I have not done a video in a really long time. Reason for that is I haven't had any time. I've been busy with softball. The softball game today, matter of fact. So I thought I'd do a quick video, and I'm gonna do a challenge, and I hope it gets passed on. I'm gonna call it the burp challenge. It doesn't matter what drink you drink, but you have to judge the funniest burp you did. Like, you have to keep count of them, like first, second, third, and you let the people down in the comments vote. That's how I'm gonna do the challenge. Okay. This is first burp. Did not try. Here we go. Fourth burp. Fifth. Sixth burp. Okay. See, Pepsi, it helps me. I burp a lot with Pepsi. Not really Coke, but. Seventh. Eighth. Ninth. Yeah, that's ninth. 10th. 11. Okay, I'm going to change the rule. You're only allowed to have 11 burps. 12. Only 12. But if you go past 12, you got to do 15. But 12 are only allowed. So if you go past 12, you got to do 15. I honestly thought 12 was funny, and then number 5. Comment down below. Bye. This is shorter than the rest, so hope you enjoyed.